Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen issues on the Among Us game. So let's get started right away. If you're playing the Among Us game but you face a black screen issue in the middle of the game and the game just crashes, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. The first thing to check is to see if your game is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box and search for the Among Us game. Once you find the game, if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on the update button and then wait for a little while until the update is completed. Once you see the play button once again, you can tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the Among Us game and tap on the info button. Now from the application info page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Once the application is stopped, tap on storage and from the storage menu tap on clear cache at the bottom right and see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and the delete button to clear all of your user data. After this step, you will need to log into your account once again to retrieve your game progress. However, your black screen issues will now be fixed. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the black screen issues on the Among Us game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.